Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Inside Knowledge. My name is Anand. My first video was on the investment banking basic. Now today I'm going to cover a different topic which you already discussed during the first video. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and comment if you have any question. I'll try to come back on them, or I'll try to collect all this question and make a video so that you can understand what exactly we are talking about. And if you have any anything in mind, just ask me, just comment me. I will try to help you on that part. So remember, I also told that investment banking is divided into two parts: buy side and sell side. Let's discuss that two topic so that you understand like what exactly we are, for which company we are working, and they fall to which side, buy side or sell side. So it's very important to know those topics, those points, so that when you are going for interview, you know like what exactly you need to know about these companies and what kind of question they can ask you related to these buy side and sell side as well. Let's start with today's topic: buy side and sell side. And look, it's very important for a fresher or for experienced person as well. Like if they are looking to be part of investment banking or investment banking operations, they they should know like which side they're joining, because sometimes it happens they like the interviewer might ask you which side, like for experienced person, which side did you work? Do you know? Is it whether it was a buy side or sell side? That's the one point, that's the one question can change the entire interview scenario. Because when I was interviewing, I know like when I know like if someone did answer me like which side they're working, I I was like, okay, I know like what knowledge and what skills do you have. I can easily figure it out based on that answer. So it's very important to understand which side you are working. So let's start with the buy side. So the buy side refers to firms that purchase securities and includes investment managers, pension funds, hedge funds, and buy side companies make money by buying low and selling high trade activities. So literally these all are those companies, those means investment firm who want to buy someone's else product normally. Then if it comes to sell side refers to the firm that issues, or you can say sell or trade securities, and includes investment bank and advisory firms, corporation. That is definition, but for the understanding purpose, sell side are those who need money to run their business, and they will raise like IPO, initial public offering, or will ask their fund manager to look for the investor who want to buy shares for the companies. So basically, the sell side firms on their way through fees and commissions, and therefore the main goal is to make as many deals as possible. So giving an example, like ABC Limited company need money to build a new factory, or they are planning to start a new setup in some different place, or they're planning to start a new business which is linked to their current business, and they want fund. They don't want to utilize their own capital, they want to utilize they want fund from market. So in that case, what they will do, those firms will reach out to investment banks or the banks, and they will ask that, okay, we are planning to start this setup. We need funds. So bank will then start working on their portfolios, their capital, their return, how they have performed, and what is their logic behind building a new setup or starting a new business, and how much they will give the return. Based on that, they will perform the entire analysis and they will suggest them to raise an IPO. That is initial public offering. Like, you raise an IPO, launch an IPO, people will come, they'll buy the shares, you get money. So you see, this is the sell side. So in that way, I like ABC Limited agrees for an IPO, and they know like how many shares they want to launch in the market. So bank will reach out to multiple investors, that is buy side. Until then, we are launching IPO for ABC Limited, and lot size are these. Investors means buy side will invest money to buy shares of that company through IPO. And let me explain you, buy side, those companies, those firms, it could be they could be like managing their individual clients, and they utilize those funds to buy these shares and to grow their portfolio so that they can earn money by buying and selling those securities in the secondary market. So that's another part of investment banking. The IPO mainly known as primary market, and when IPO launched, they're known as secondary market. So secondary market, a lot of people trade in the market to maximize their profit through buying and selling of the securities. So in this way, sell side will get funding and buy side will get securities. So you see, sell side, those who were launching their product, those who were selling those product in the market, and buy side, those who are buying those product and trying to maximize their portfolio by selling, buying and selling those in the secondary market. So sell side is explained in that way. Now I'll tell you like what are the carriers for the sell side. Like if you want to be part of sell side, main sell side jobs are like the investment banking, you can join, like the equity research companies, the sales and trading jobs or related to sales and trading, commercial and corporate banking. So these are the popular carrier in the sell side, and it's not just those carrier means you can just only work for the investment banking, but yeah, you can investment banking, a lot of those banks have a lot of operations job, so that is also part of the sell side, and those are the jobs which you can choose. So same as the equity research, the firm must be having a lot of their different processes which they hire people to work. So same as sales and trading, for example, if a company is trading in the market, they must be having a lot of different processes like middle office, settlement, reconciliation. So they look for those positions, they look for people to hire for those positions. So these are the basic the companies, the jobs which you can try to find in the sell side. So when you are applying for a job to the for a company, you should know like what services they provide. Are they towards the sell side or they are from the buy side? If you have any confusion in understanding all these topics, you can just leave a comment and you can just tell me what exactly you want to know. I seriously I'll try to help as much as I know, and I can share my knowledge with you guys. Same for the buy side carriers, like mainly there will be like portfolio managers, like wealth management companies, private equity companies, venture capital, hedge funds. Those all falls under the buy side, and it's very wide area. So just commenting on like what kind of companies there will be, it could be n number of companies out there in the market. Like top 10, I can just tell you like these are the top 10 companies which you see, like which are there in the market, like BlackRock, Vanguard Group, UBS, Fidelity, Street Global Advisors, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan's, like these all companies provide the services, and they have a lot. They have a different wings where they perform. Like JP Morgan is also into the banking side. It also into the buy side form. So it's not only that they only have the buy side activities. They have companies. They also have a different branches. Like they look after different thing for the sell side as well. So these are, we can say, like the top companies which actually in the market. My next topic will be, I'm just going to have this the next topic on the interview questions, and I have almost like 100 plus question which I have seen, which I have used, which I have heard during my interviews, which I have asked during my interviews. So I'll be starting with couple of set of questions, starting with like 5 or 10 question, and I'll try to answer them like how and what basis you should answer in the interview, and what are the points you can note it down before you're going for the interview, and you can think about those questions, and you can practice. So I'll share my answer as well, so that you can understand, like, okay, how do I, like when I have to face the interview, what I do and how I try to answer those things. I'll keep on releasing my videos. I'll try to release almost like at least twice in a week, so that we can cover a lot of topic. So thank you so much for following me and watching my video. Just keep watching my video, and I'm sure you'll be able to learn a lot of things. Thank you so much.